How to fix Instagram story music not working. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you what you can do to fix it. So without any further ado, let us get started. First of all, make sure that your application is updated. Head over to Play Store and search for Instagram. If you see update sign here, tap on update. If not, open your application. Now make sure that you are logged into your account. Then tap on the 3-bar icon on your top right. Now you need to switch your account to a professional account. To do that, tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll below, and under For Professionals, tap on Account Type and Tools. Here tap on Switch to Professional Account. Select any category that you would like, and if you would like this category to be displayed at your profile, toggle on the option. If not, left it untoggled and tap on to Done. Now once you do so, refresh your page. Just like so, you will be able to do it now. That is all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will catch you up in our next upload. In the meantime, do like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss an update from us.